Hi, welcome to your pre-assessment guide for felling and processing with a harvester. This guide will help demonstrate the knowledge required for your FMO harvester assessment. To help us guide us through what we need to know, I'm joined today by Michael Crutchley.
Hello.
He's a registered MPTC assessor and LANTRA trainer, plus has 20 years experience in the forest industry as a contractor. So this is one of 4 videos that you will need to watch along with our base machine videos that covers everything from PPE to hydraulic hoses and waste disposal. So you'll want to watch these videos for the harvester in conjunction with the base machine videos, and then you will have a good idea of whether you're up to standard. These videos could not be possible without the support of Forestry Focused Future, an innovative training scheme, and Callum Campbell for the use of his site today and his machine from Forestry Services Limited based in Mach. This video is a guide. It is not formal training. We fully advise that you seek formal training from an instructor. This is a guide to help you prepare for assessment, and we already assume you have a good level of driving skill for the harvester. This is video 3 in the harvester series, and in this video we'll be covering the process of felling trees. Here we're demonstrating single cuts. The most important thing is that your movements with the crane are very smooth and confident. So you need to select the tree that will be the easiest to fell, and you need to take into account the lean of the tree, the wind and weather conditions, and the crown. So move the head smoothly onto the tree and the stem. Grip the tree as low to the ground as possible. As demonstrated here. Open the head in the direction of the fell. Operate the saw and then lift the head and pull back or push with the boom if necessary. So you lift the head. This operator is exceptionally smooth. He's directly onto the tree, onto the stem, grip, saw, and pull forward. Ready for processing. The operator will now demonstrate double cuts. You would use a double cut on a larger tree or where the buttresses are flared, or if there is a risk the tree will fall early before you've cut through. You grip the stem as low as possible, again making sure the stumps are short. The head must stay encircling the stem when you move round for your second cut. And the second cut should be, the height of the second cut should be as minimal as possible to your first. And the second cut is in the direction of the fell. So you grip the stem against the direction of the fell, your first cut, keep the head encircled round the stem, keep the second cut as in minimal as height as possible to your first and in the direction of the fell. When felling windblow, it's very important to ensure that you check that the tree you're going to fell isn't supporting another tree and other trees aren't leaning on that tree, because that's the possibility of spring back with the compression and release of compression. It's important that you grip the tree with the lean of the tree, again, as with single cuts, that the head is open in the direction of the fell. And it's very important that the stump goes back in the hole. Be careful to make sure the saw does not get trapped or nipped due to the lean of the tree. Bad practice is to leave tears on your stumps, as we have demonstrated here. Stumps should be as low to the ground as possible and clean. To ensure that you don't leave tears, make sure you've cut through the stem of the tree completely before it falls. This is a health and a safety issue, and it makes it very difficult for the forwarder driver. Here we're demonstrating high stumps. You can see the stump is high. Again, this is a wasted timber, difficult for the forwarder driver, and a health and safety problem. Right, if you've watched the 4 videos in this harvester series and you've watched our base machine videos, then you should have an excellent understanding of what's required and your level of skill to go forward to do your FMO harvester assessment. So thank you, Mike, today for your knowledge.
No problem.
And we wish you the best of luck.